Hello everybody, welcome back. Riley Rad here, and today, well, I got a PC for Christmas, so we're gonna play beach buggy racing, which is a game I played on my phone a while ago. Let's use keyboard. There. So. Oops. I just got this PC, so I don't have a lot of work. So I will have some more practice on this in the future. Do we have? Yes, we do. Okay. Space is fire right now. Alright. Let's do a real race, guys. Let's go. I'll have to figure out how I want to do this for... I may or may not win. This disco guy might beat me, but that would still be second, which I would take second. Yeah, he will. Oh, I might be beat by more than just this guy if I don't hurry. Yeah, he beat me, but I made it. I came second for my first race. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna set my settings. Alright, now you guys can see better. Alright. I wasn't able to reset my settings, so I'm just gonna have to work with the ones that I have. Let's get to race number 1. Goal is first. Reward 150. Perfect. Continue. I need my mouse, do I? Power. Power is... Oh, we don't even need our mouse. Other than that. Other than that, we don't even need our mouse. So, like... Oh. Crashing into a big pole. But... Not that. Now the beginning is pretty good, but it wasn't the best place. That wasn't the best place to use that because... That definitely wasn't, you know? It just wasn't. Oh, nice. Oh, not nice. Bouncy tired. Alright. We're in 4th right now. That was helpful. I just got hit by a trap, but it helped me. Come on, come on, come on. Get me up there. Skirt the wrong way. Skirt the wrong way. Skirt the wrong way. Shortcut. I came second. 59 seconds, 36. Alright, let's go to race number 2. Oh, dynamite. This can or cannot explode. Oh, it didn't. Dang it. It cannot explode, but it also can explode. Alright, so having a really far headset would be good, but not yet. Because I want to wait for that. Now I put on a shield. So then it has. It is. First, easily. This one's a go as fast as you can thing. There's a shortcut on the dock that I know about, but it's hard to pull off. Let's see if we can. It's like right here as well. Like it's literally just a really small shortcut right here. We pulled it off. All right, speed. All right, that's gonna help us so much for the future. There's another shortcut right there, but it was a little risky to go through because getting out the other side's a little risky as well. Right around this turn though, and I think we made it in time. We did. Let's see. Yep, we did. 2 seconds away though. All right, guys. See you next time. Riley Rad out.